Morning, ma'am. I will my lesson. Okay. Before that, I'm at the SOS company. Have a seat. Okay. Jenny, tell me something about yourself. I'm industrious and hardworking. That's what you learned from the money matters and I'm ready to take it to satisfy my needs. Why HRM is your first of choice? Because this was my parents' want for me and I left home and I really want to learn my specialty. It will possibility that you are mine. What assurance you can give that you are not suffering or suffering? Remember that I will be employed, I will impart my knowledge and skills for the progress of the company to the development. If ever an incident happens, that the master has complained of having life, what would you do? I apologize for that inconvenience and I will just replace what he or she reported. Okay, Miss Jenny, congratulations. You're hired as a company. Thank you.